Welcome to the Silly Story Club. Today's exciting adventure is about the hunter and the forest animals. Once upon a time, near a deep green forest, there lived a hunter. He was strong and clever, but he loved hunting animals more than anything else. Every morning, he carried his bow and arrows and walked into the forest looking for animals. The forest was full of life. There were deer running freely, rabbits hopping happily, monkeys swinging from tree to tree, and birds singing sweet songs. A big, wise elephant lived near the river, and a brave lion was the king of the forest. One day, the deer noticed something was wrong. "I saw the hunter near the river," said the deer nervously. The rabbit's ears stood up. "He was hiding behind the bushes yesterday." All the animals became scared. They had lost many friends because of the hunter. Finally, the wise old elephant called for a meeting. "We must protect our forest and our families," the elephant said calmly. The lion roared, "Yes, but we must be smart. Fighting is not always the answer." A clever monkey had an idea. "Let us work together. Alone we are weak, but together we are strong." The next morning, when the hunter entered the forest, everything seemed very quiet. No birds were singing, no animals were in sight. Hunter walked deeper and deeper, confused. Suddenly, monkeys started shaking the tree branches. Dry leaves and small sticks fell all around him. He stumbled and lost his balance. At the same time, rabbits ran quickly around his feet, making him trip again. Then, the birds flew low over his head, flapping their wings loudly. The noise scared him. He tried to run, but he found himself standing in front of the great elephant and the mighty lion. The elephant stamped his huge foot on the ground. The lion gave a loud roar that echoed through the forest. Hunter's heart began to pound. For the first time, he felt fear. He realized that the animals were not weak. They were united. They were protecting their home. Hunter slowly dropped his bow and arrows. "I am sorry," he said with a trembling voice. "I never understood that this forest is your home. I promise I will never hunt again." The wise elephant looked at the lion. The lion nodded. "Go," said the elephant, "but remember your promise." Hunter left the forest that day with a changed heart. Instead of hunting, he later became a forest guard who protected animals from other hunters. From that day on, the forest was peaceful again. The birds sang, the deer ran freely, and the animals lived happily without fear. And the forest taught everyone an important lesson. When we stand together, we are stronger than any danger. See you in the next video, friends! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more fun stories.